Hi, this is Brittany at the Mendez Recreation Center. Today we're going to be making a DIY water stress ball. For this craft you will need scissors, 1/4 cup of water, 2 balloons, and food coloring. It's optional. Cutting one of the balloons, whichever one, doesn't really matter. I'm going to start cutting holes into it. Okay, once you have the desired amount of holes in the first balloon, you're going to take the other balloon, fold it, and you're going to put it inside of the other balloon. Once you have it inside, you're going to unroll it and make sure it fits inside nice and good. Should look like this. Now we're going to take the water and pour it in the balloon. Okay, I'm going to add a couple drops of food coloring in to make it kind of reddish in the balloon. And my balloon so it's kind of made like a purpley color maybe, I'm thinking. Now you're going to take the inner balloon, so my blue balloon, you're going to tie it. So I'm going to move this one down a little bit. I'm going to take the blue one, I'm going to wrap it around 2 fingers. You might need help from adult for this. Wrap it around 2 fingers. Pull through the middle and in through the loop. And then take your fingers out. And then it's tied. Okay. And you can tie the green one if you like, or you can take like a ribbon or something and tie it, or